आतंकियों ने गोली मारने से पहले पर्यटकों से
People were
कलमा
visiting
पढ़ने
and
को कहा।
holidaying J&K. Terrorists have shot tourists in one of Jammu and Kashmir's most popular destinations, Pahalgam.
मैं बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है उन आतंकियों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी, सजा मिलकर के रहेगी।
Operation Sindoor was launched by Indian Armed Forces to deliver justice to the victims of Pahalgam terror attack and their families. 9 terrorist camps were targeted and successfully destroyed.
India's fight against terrorism has entered a new phase. Operation Sindoor is still on and the Indian forces kicked off a second operation. They're calling it Operation Keller.